Emma.
Expensive. How are you?
Fine. Well, in front.
Your Excellency.
How are you?
Welcome. Sorry.
I'm listening. I'm the next member. This one right here.
Very good.
Akim, is it on? Check, please. Good afternoon, Your Excellency, and welcome to River State. We kindly know what brings you to town. What has brought you to town?
Yes, came over to commiserate with the government and the people of River State over the tanker fire incident. Huge loss of life. May the soul of the departed rest in peace. We've had peer-reviewed discussions over it. A similar incident happened in Ogun State as well, which you are aware of. That was a CNG tanker. River State was a petrol tanker. We also spoke with the head of the downstream agency, and there'll be a review of some laws. There'll be engagement between the downstream regulatory agency and state agencies in terms of health and safety on these issues. As you know, Nigeria relies a lot on virtual pipeline for movement of petroleum products. We need to strengthen regulations in that sector and also emphasize on improving and expanding pipelines for transportation of products as well.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.